first order of business today is taking Jetty to the vet on the other side of the island on the way to get a valid international health certificate.
Say hi, Jets.
She's a little nervous, but
You're doing much better than at home.
She won't lick her treats, so all of a sudden she doesn't lick her treats anymore.
She does that when she's trying to prove a point. Are you pacing? Oh, don't cry.
Oh yeah, oh, you almost took it that time. How was that?
Way better than our normal vet visits go. She's still very, I would say, on edge, but she didn't really try to eat anybody, kind of.
And it was a lot cheaper than we thought.
Yeah, so when I talked to her on the phone yesterday, she said it was going to be $250, and I was like, what? But that was if they were going to have to send it off to Puerto Rico to get endorsed by the USDA. But since we're going to Grenada and we already have a USDA certified one from the US, they said a generic one would do fine. So that's what we're counting on. Only cost $50.
The rest will go to our cab ride. $40 each way. Good job. High five. Good girl. Taxi driver just dropped us off in like downtown here in Frederiksted. She was so awesome. What was her name?
Super nice, Frances.
Frances. She was great. She like took us around a little bit, gave us a little bit of a tour. We are rewarding ourselves for Jetty's good behavior.
And we got barbecue.
After a really annoying upwind motor, we're just getting into Christiansted Harbor on the north side of the island, and we have one little problem. I thought I fixed that throttle the other day, the starboard throttle, but it's stripping again, so this is gonna get really interesting in here. We wanted to pull up to a dock and get some water and a little bit of fuel, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it with this throttle like this, so I'm gonna test it out a little bit in front of the anchorage and then see how it feels. So this throttle completely failed again. It's like, I don't know. This is the little screw under here that I tightened before. I took this whole thing off to look at it and try and learn exactly what's going on in here. And I thought I had the general concept, but I don't think I have the full 100% concept, and something is totally stripped. There's spines on the thing in here. I don't know. I gotta learn a little bit more about this to see if I can fix it. We're just gonna go into Christiansted here and see what's going on in town. That's crazy. Wow. Well, no one's here from the Marina today. All we really need is fresh water. I don't know, we might be able to get it without them being here. Although I read somewhere they charge 15 cents a gallon, so maybe someone has to unlock it, I'm not sure. And really need a windlass too, but kind of doubt they'll have one here that will work for us, but maybe they will. So I think we're gonna take the dinghy over to that side of the harbor where that pink building is, and that's like the downtown boardwalk area, so go check it out. Sierra just checked to see if the water is open, but it has a lock on it, so we're out of luck there. Can we tie up anywhere over here? Okay, down here though we can? Alright, thank you. Our dinghy's pretty secure here, safe?
You know, during the daytime, usually at nighttime I lock it up. If I'm gonna be gone for a couple of hours, I lock it up.
Uh-huh.
There hasn't been a problem in years, but you gotta have dinghies.
Yeah, might as well. Hey guys, more tarpon. Just like in Puerto Rico, these guys were everywhere in Puerto Rico, waiting for some lunch.
Morning, people. Today we're going to show you a whole boat tour, but before we do that we have to clean the entire thing because it's so dirty. If you want some sneak preview about how dirty it is, yeah, here we go. Disaster! Garbage, wet towels, dirty carpets, everywhere. Shirts? Okay. Do you want to be in the blooper reel? We're showing them how dirty the boat is. Boop. You know you have to clean up your mat before we show the real video. Yeah, this room is gross, but it doesn't really get much better. Are you ready to clean?
Yeah.
This is one of the reasons why it's important to clean every so often. Not supposed to be that color.
It feels good to clean and go through all our drawers and everything and just kind of purge. We try to do a little purge every few months and just make sure that we're getting rid of stuff that we're not using and re-finding stuff that has been missing at the bottom of the drawer for the past few weeks and just all that stuff. And then just clean out all our little empty spaces, nooks and crannies. It's important to stay clean and organized on this small space, like living in a small space like a boat, or I'm sure it applies to a lot of other small spaces too, but it just makes living in a small space so much easier. Are you helping us clean? High five.
We're moving from our anchorage to the marina so we can get some water and do laundry and get some snacks and then sail off the 348 miles to Grenada.
You guys want to see my throttle lever hack?
So we mentioned our throttle was stripped and we were having issues. We thought we fixed it. Turns out we didn't fix it. So now
I figured out what was wrong with it. It's just the set screw isn't to hold the throttle in position. I think it's just to hold it so when you apply throttle out of gear, you can pull this out, and the set screw just holds it in place there. But the splines in here and on here are really what give the throttle grip, and they're just completely stripped. So pretty simple.
now we have a temporary fix because it's super windy and we have to pull into the marina, which is not easy. But I gotta go because your eggs are burning. Are we loading up?
Filling up with some diesel fuel. We rigged a little funnel with a t-shirt.
Just in case there's any particles, they don't clog the filter. We also filling up with some water.
Getting ready to go do some laundry. They don't have any laundry here at the marina, which kind of stinks, but right down the road there's a big laundromat that looks pretty good. Marina's pretty nice. They have a marine store here that is awesome. They have like everything in there.
Windlass?
I don't know if they have a windlass.
Water maker?
Probably not a water maker. I'm sure they could get it. They seem like they could probably get anything. Really good, but a little bit, it's more money than I thought here. It's $2.75 a foot a day for a catamaran. So,
it's expensive. And
water is 15 cents a gallon. I mean, you could, it's water again. You could drink it.
It just tastes bad.
It just tastes bad. It might, I don't think it's gonna make you sick, but it might like hurt your stomach a little. It's worth it for us. We're probably gonna leave early tomorrow morning, so it's just so nice throwing some dock lines off and we're out. I got a new American flag. Our American flag is shot, but I got a new one. I'll show you our American flag. It's pretty shredded, but
like we shouldn't be flying it. It's probably disrespectful.
I don't know.
Is it better to have a tattered flag or not have an American flag at all? We're proud to be Americans.
Yeah. Yeah, let us know in the comments below, like.
And we searched. It's not like we're like,
all
oh,
through,
we'll put it off. Every single store we went to, we're like, do you have an American flag? Hardware store, grocery store.
All through DR, of course, they're not gonna have American flag.
Puerto Rico.
All through Puerto Rico, couldn't find an American flag, and then here we finally found one in St. Croix.
We found big, like, house flags, but those are too big for us.
But yeah, let us know in the comments below. Is it better to fly like a tattered American flag or just not fly American flag at all on our boat?
Because we
those
don't
are the only two options.
We don't want to be non-respectful.
I think it's better to fly an American flag,
But
even if it's beat up a little bit.
They'll tell you if
Oh,
you're wrong.
you guys are gonna let me know. I know it. I know it. Don't hold back. You never do.
Today, our workout includes walking along with our heavy, stinky laundry.
The easy one. You guys like my hat? Oh, they close at 4.
I just realized I put all of our stuff to be dried in a dryer. That doesn't work. Let's try this again.
Show us a nice new flag. All right, looking good.
So you guys tell us, is it bad to fly this one?
If the other option is to fly no American flag.
Okay, Jetty's cooling vest may look a little funny, but I think she loves it.
Every time we put it on, we just dip it in the water and it's soaking wet. And
it stays wet for a long time. And as soon as it gets dry, you just get it wet again and it keeps cool.
how do you know she likes it?
Because she seems to pant less.
I think she likes it better too. Laundry's all finished. I did a little half grocery shop. We're gonna do another little quick one and get some more fruit. We got some more fresh water, like drinking water in jugs. We're getting our dinghy prop, a spare one. And we're also, I shipped my old computer out from USPS. It's just so easy to ship things here because it's USPS. Here's the local grocery store. It's a really nice grocery store. They have a lot of stuff. It's not huge, not as big as like a Publix, but pretty big still. Just walking Jetty around a little while Sierra is in the grocery store. Just getting our last few errands done for hopefully a 2 to 2.5 day passage over to Grenada. It's gonna be so, I hope it goes smooth and it's pretty confident. It's gonna feel so good to just get there to Grenada. And then I think our friend Shelby's gonna fly in and hang out with us for a week or so. Once we get to Grenada, it's fine. It's just gonna be like freedom, because as I'm sure you guys have noticed, like we haven't been fully doing what we usually do and explore, and it's been all about making sailing and getting to Grenada our priority, just because we're late already. But once we get there, it'll be like total freedom. It's gonna be so nice.